When it comes to competition, I think everyone deserves a fair shot. Hey guys, Tom here. Welcome back to the Underground. Today, we start a new adventure. Excuse me. Over the last, I don't know what it was, over a year and a half probably, we had a real good time doing our classic cocktail clash to determine that the old fashioned was in fact the best classic cocktail decided by you and me and everybody that watches and participated. And I thought it would be fun to kind of do it again. Now, I don't know if you're big watchers of shorts on YouTube, but here at the Underground, we do our weekly, we call it a shot short or short shot, whatever the heck. I think it's a shot short, where I make a shot, drink it, share it. You guys can watch it and test it out on your own. But those are all just crazy things I find and think would be fun. But I don't do like the layered shots, and I don't do like what I would call sophisticated shots, because in that format there just isn't really time. But I thought it would be fun, and over the next however long it takes us, and we're gonna kind of, this is kind of be kind of fluid as it goes along, pardon the pun, but we're gonna do something called the shot shootout. And what that's going to be is, I have decided that I am going to, I came up with about, with like 28 shots that I think are classic old-timey type shots. Now these are the shots that me and my friends used to drink when I was young, and as you know by now, I'm an older guy than probably most of you watching, but they're gonna be just some of the fun shots that I remember having when I was younger, and we're gonna battle them out. It's not gonna be like the clash where we had brackets. It's just gonna be a blind draw, and here it is right here. And I'm not even going to tell you what they are until we do them, because I think it'll be more fun that way. And there's a couple different ways we can do this, but there's going to be maybe some layered shots, maybe some depth charge shots, just some other fun things that I think it's going to be kind of enjoyable for us to kind of experiment with and go along together to find out what is the best old time shot. Now, it's not going to be things like even some of you might even think a Jaeger bomb's an old time shot, but that wasn't a thing when I was young. There was no energy drink, so we didn't have Jaeger bombs. We drank these things in this glass right here. Some of them have crazy names. Some shots that I remember when I was young, they changed the name of because some people found it offensive. I did not change the name of that shot. I'm drinking that shot that's in this bowl the way it was when I was a kid. If you're offended by that, I'm sorry. It's just a name. Get over it. It doesn't mean anything. It's not attacking a social group. It's not anything offensive. It's just words. So if that kind of stuff bothers you, you're probably not watching this channel anyway. So be it. So I'm gonna start, and I think I pretty much have everything to make everything in this bowl. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick the first two shots that we're gonna try, old, in my opinion, this is just me, classic shots. We're gonna try them, and then just like in the clash, you get to vote to see which one moves ahead. And I just thought of a way that we might do this, but we'll talk about this after we decide. So let's pick our two shots for today's competition to kick it off. So, did I pick one? Yeah. Here's one. And here's the other. Put this back up in our spot up here where we'll store them. And the first two that are going to go up against each other are the Kool-Aid, and wow, this is right out of the chute, the Jolly Rancher. Now these two are very similar, so it's going to be interesting to see how they pan out. I have them all right here ready to go. So let me take a minute, get set up for those two drinks to get everything I need, and then we shall shoot. So are you ready? Now, when doing shots, two things that are very important, and that is mixer shells and shot glasses. We'll mix it up, should we? We'll do one in this glass and one in this glass. So first, we shall do the Jolly Rancher. And I'm not gonna make a lot of, I'm gonna make enough to enjoy, and they're very similar makeups. So that's why I think this is gonna be a very good combination. So it's equal parts Amaretto, Melon Liqueur, now it says Jolly Rancher, but there's so many flavors of Jolly Rancher. Which one is this going to taste like? I'm going to say it's probably going to end up being like this is just a little bit of Grenadine. It's probably going to end up being like a watermelon Jolly Rancher, I'm guessing. And then just some good old lemon lime soda or Sprite or whatever you have. Sugar variety if possible. I guess I'll be drinking the rest of this. Where's my cover? Here we go.
I shake it up, shake it up. I shake it up, shake it up. Ooh. I shake it up, shake it up. Shake it up, shake it up. Shake it up, shake it up.
And then we'll put that in the little guy. I remember back in the day when I would go out with my friends, or if I was tending bar, I mean, do people still do that? Get a pitcher of shots? Like we'd make it like in a big shell, and there'd be like, I mean, that's probably a double shot, but there'd be like 6 or 8 shots in here for everybody to have. That's what we did. So I guess even though it's a shot, it can still be decorative, right? There's our first one as we start this new fun experiment, the Jolly Rancher shot. So next up is going to be, I'm going to use this one, and that's going to be our Kool-Aid shot. So I have to consult my list. And strangely, the Kool-Aid has very similar ingredients. And that is, again, some Amaretto. It's 1 part each of Amaretto and the next ingredient, which is Southern Comfort. And you know it's an old time shot from when I was young because it's Southern Comfort. And then just 2 parts of Cranberry Juice. So this one is going to be a little lighter for you because it's not all, well, this was not all alcohol. It's got some, I wonder if this lid will fit on here. Let me see something. Just gonna do a little experiment. I don't think it does, but I think that'll leak. So we'll get some ice. I'll get a shell. Here we go.
I shake it up, shake it up. I shake it up, shake it up. Ooh. I shake it up, shake it up. Shake it up, shake it up. Shake it up, shake it up. I shake it up, shake it up. Shake your body line, yeah.
I thought this would be redder. And there's number 2 today as we battle out our best shot with the Kool-Aid. Oh yeah. All right, gang, our first 2 shots as we start our shot shootout to determine the best old-time shot from when I was young and maybe when some of you were young. And I think it's gonna be a lot of fun. So without further ado, let's get at it. It's time for ready, drink. So I'm gonna start with the Jolly Rancher because that's what I made first. Jolly Rancher was Amaretto, Melon Liqueur, Grenadine, and a little bit of Sprite. Cheers. Very sweet. Wow, very sweet. Super sweet. I don't remember. I'm sure I'd had that when I was young, but I don't remember it being that sweet. Yes, I'm doing 2 shots back to back, 2 double shots back to back. I'm not going anywhere. Neither should you if you're going to be doing a bunch of crazy shots. Stay home. Check out, sit around, turn on, cast the Grant the Pub Underground to your TV, hang out, have a good time, and you'll know when we're on because you're subscribed, right? If you're not subscribed, well, actually a lot of you, the majority of people who come and visit the Underground are not subscribers to the show. So please subscribe, turn on notifications, hit the bell. That way, when we're open, you'll be told about it and come hang out with us and have a good time. And then here we go with the Kool-Aid. Again, cheers. Wow, that really tastes like Kool-Aid. I mean, the Jolly Rancher, I mean, granted, hard candy is just basically a big glob of sugar with flavorings, but I should have sipped it. That tastes like a red Jolly Rancher, but there's no cherry in it, which is weird. But the Kool-Aid is a lot less sweet, and it tastes, I mean, they both taste like what the name says. Cherry Kool-Aid versus, like red Kool-Aid versus a red Jolly Rancher. They're both really good. They both taste like what they say they're going to taste like. The Jolly Rancher is a lot sweeter. Probably because of the soda. I have a little bit left, so yeah, but it's good. So this is what you have to do. You have to go check the description below because I'll tell you how to make it. They're real simple. And say, you know what, you're about there. I want an old-time shot. Make me a Kool-Aid. Make me a Jolly Rancher. Try them with your friends and see which one you like better. And then come back and let me know in the comments below which one is better. And we'll see who moves on. And I'm not sure how we're going to do this yet. We'll talk about it next time as we see the winner of this one. I have 2 ideas, and I'll let you decide. So, well, actually, no, we'll talk about it now. So whoever wins, we have 2 ways to do this. We could save this until where the bowl is empty and then throw them all back in and rematch up again. Or we could take the winner and just put them back in the bowl and then just keep drawing until there's only one left. and then that's the winner. What do you think? So let me know, A, which one you prefer, and B, which method of rematches and redraws we should do. Save them and then do the winners, or just keep putting the winner back in the bowl. We might draw the winner of this match 5 times. Who knows? So I think I'm leaning toward that. So we'll see how it goes. But until then, try them. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think of the shot shootout in general. Is it a good idea? That's the thing. I don't want to tell you what the shots are because you might poo-poo it. And that's the prerogative of the bartender, which is me. So thanks for stopping by. Come see us again and again and again. Had a lot of fun with this. Until that time, remember, I'll see you soon.